Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna try the Try My Snacks box. Try My Snacks is a snack subscription from around the world. I love that they come in 3 sizes. So there's the mini size, the single size, and the family size. So it really works for any budget or any size family. Each box comes with its own number of products. So the mini gets 5, the single gets 10 or more, and then the family one gets 20 or more. So you will have everyone in your family covered, even if you have a huge family to get that box. They all come with a 12-page booklet that gives you like games and information and trivia and all the fun stuff that you get to learn about the country. So it's also an educational process as well. Then you get a coin from the country, and that is honestly my favorite part. I'm so excited to see what coin I get whenever I travel, and I used to travel internationally so much. Thanks a lot 2020, because you have canceled 3 of my trips now, 3 of my international trips. I was gonna go to Bali, Indonesia, in 2020, I was gonna go to Canada in 2020, and at the beginning, January of 2021, I was supposed to go to Vietnam. So I'm so upset about that. But every time that I traveled internationally, I like to keep a little bit of the country's money, whether it's a bill or a coin or just something. It's such a great memory and souvenir, and I collect them. I like to collect them. I think it's so cool to see money from around the world. So how awesome is that this is going to give me that straight to my door? I absolutely, the second I heard that, I was in love. Not only do you get all that, it ships free and it's customizable, but without ruining the surprise. So you're not actually picking like, I want these chips, I want this chocolate bar, but you can go in there and do a survey, fill out your preferences, and they will go with your preferences. It includes telling them about your allergies, and that is something that I had a really hard time with in a previous snack subscription that I had from Japan, because some of the items came shrimp or fish flavored, and I would die. Like literally, I would stop breathing if I had shrimp. So I was always worried that there might be shrimp powder in them. So they do take care of that for you. If you say you're allergic to nuts, or if you say you're allergic to shrimp or whatever, they would make sure that you did not get a snack that has your allergen in it. For the mini box, you get 5 items and it's $16.95. For the single box, you get 10 items. I think they say 10 or more, and it's $29.95. For the family box, you get 20 or more, and it's $49.96. And all of those include free shipping, the coin, the booklet, all of that. This video is sponsored by Try My Snacks, and so they did send me this box for free, and this is going to be the family box. So I should have 20 snacks in this guy. They also gave me a special code that I can share with my subscribers. So you can use THXJESS, THX, not the actual word, but THXJESS. I need to set this down. We all know I can't use scissors here. So THXJESS, and that's $5 off your first box if you choose the mini, the single, or the family box. But they're also having a special promotion in December. It starts December 15th, but you can pre-order it now. It's called a sampler box for $7.95, and you get 5 snacks as a sample. You still get the coin, and you get like a little brochure as well. If you love that sampler box, after 30 days, it turns into the mini plan. So that's the $16.95, 5 regular size, not sample size, regular size snacks. If you want the single and or family plan, you can sign up for single or family plan, and then it'll offer you during your checkout process to get the sampler as a free gift. The packaging is so cute. The sampler box will not come in this packaging, but all the other boxes will. And this says, okay, it says my country's right here, and it has their little flag too. These snacks made it all the way from Ireland and Turkey. So I got 2 little brochures. I wonder if I also get 2 coins. We're about to check that out. I did get 2 coins. Oh my God, this is so cool. By the way, look how full, like there's no space in here. They packed this so full of these 20 snacks. So we have pamphlets for both. We have Ireland and we have Turkey, and I honestly don't know which one to start with. I guess let's do alphabetical. That's how my brain works. If you don't know how to start, alphabetical is always the way to go. So we're gonna go with Ireland first. First, we have our little facts, fun facts here about Ireland. Let's read one of them. The harp, and not the clover, is the national symbol of Ireland. Depicted on the front of Irish passports, the harp is the only musical instrument in the world as a national emblem. That's such a cute Fun fact, I'm glad we picked that one. And about our coin, we got, so this is the Ireland coin, a half penny. And it says, what makes it really interesting is its bronze composition, a material rarely used in modern coins. There's a bunch of other information about the coin too, but we have a lot of snacks to get through. Pages of snacks here. I don't know which ones I got, if I got them all or not. The fact that I have 2 countries, I have a feeling that maybe I got half and half, but we're about to find out. Reading it, I found out more information before we even looked at the snacks. So this actually contains 32 different snacks on here. And it says you would get a random assortment. So if you have the mini pack, you're gonna get 5 to 7. The single pack, you're gonna get 10 to 13. And then the family pack, you can get 17 to 20 plus. Number 16, Jersey Creams, a rich, crunchy biscuit perfect for dipping in tea with a butter-flavored cream filling. Number 13, and this has a little sticker that says number 13 on it. So it's kind of perfect because I can go straight to the number on here and read about my snack instead of having to hunt for it, although I guess the hunt would also be fun. But it says, shortbread has been made in Scotland for over 3 centuries from recipe handed down through the generations. I don't even know which one I'm gonna pick because both of those sound really good, but they're very similar and my stomach cannot afford to eat this all, so we're gonna have to be wise in our decision making. Number 2 is Chewits, and this says, Chewits fruit salad. Fruity chews come in a mix of mouth-watering, juicy fruit flavors, the perfect snack to satisfy fruit cravings. I'm so excited about this. Okay, if you don't know me, you probably don't know this about me, but I have an obsession with ginger ale and ginger beer. Literally like my favorite drink in the history of drinks because I love ginger so much, and the spicier the better. This is literally called fiery ginger beer. So we are definitely gonna try this, even if it's not cold. I don't care, I'm still gonna try it. This one has to be Irish because it says pure Irish butter on it. So this is East Coast Bakehouse number 20. Number 20, it says East Coast Bakehouse Milk Chocolate Chunk, baked using pure Irish butter and jumbo Irish oats, enrobed in thick milk chocolate. All right, this one also says the word Irish on it, and it says number 9, Flahaven's Irish Oaty Flapjacks. So there was 2, you could get either chocolate chip or original, and I got original, and it says original Flahaven's Flapjacks are deliciously oaty snacks that have long been recognized for their health benefits, especially fiber. We have number 11, Fox's Classic Snacks, crumbly honeycomb biscuits covered in real milk chocolate. Fox's makes the best biscuits for every occasion. Next up, we have number 17, Bolin's Custard Creams. I got so many cookies, I do not know which one to pick. Bolin's Custard Creams, delicious biscuit sandwiches with custard cream filling made in Ireland. Okay, it took me a while to find these because the packaging looks a little different because I have some singles here. This is 26 Oatfield Irish Butter Toffee. I feel like I should live in Ireland. I said that when I did a box a while ago from a different company that was Colombia. So I don't know, maybe I just love food, but I have been so happy with every single item. Ginger beer, toffee, like literally all my favorite things. Oatfield is one of the oldest and independent sweet manufacturers left in Ireland today. We're definitely trying this one too. And then we have one more from Ireland because I could not find the rest of them in here, so they're probably in my other one. 32 Barry's Gold Tea. Barry's Gold Tea is a classic original and a household name for many families in Ireland. Tea cakes and tea, anyone. Let's eat some Irish food and then we will do the turkey food. I think that's the best way. I'm gonna pick 3. You know I'm picking the ginger beer. So I'm gonna pick 3 and the ginger beer. By the way, that was 10 items from Ireland. So the 3 that I actually chose 4 because I'm also not counting the toffee as a choice. That's just like a little tiny treat at the end for all of my hard work. So first one I chose is the chocolate enrobed milk chocolate chunk cookies. I don't even love chocolate too much, but for some reason, I really wanted to try this one. These look so good. This side is a chocolate chip side. This side is covered in chocolate. I could not have imagined that to be better. Ireland, I'm coming for you. Next I chose the Cheez-Its. This is fruit salad flavored and it's supposed to be like chewy candy. It looks to me exactly like a Starburst. I don't know what it's gonna taste like or feel like, but it has a little bit of a tough feel to it. The flavor is really good, but the tough feel, it's so chewy. It is more chewy than a Starburst candy for sure. But it definitely, like, it requires some muscles in your mouth. I could not, there's no way I could eat this whole thing at once, which is definitely good because I don't need to be eating this whole thing at once. So next I chose these shortbread fingers. It says product of Scotland on here, and it just has this like really cool old building. So I don't know, it makes me feel like I can count on this one because it must have been around forever. That's exactly what I expect a shortbread finger to taste like, and it does taste delicious. But now let's wash it down with some ginger beer. That is literal heaven for my mouth. They could not have picked a better person to send this to. I'm a ginger beer connoisseur, okay? I call myself a blanket connoisseur, and I also call myself a ginger beer connoisseur. I own a lot of blankets, and I've had a lot of ginger beer. I have even had ginger beer shipped to me because I liked it so much from a specific location, and it's only available in that city, that I've had it shipped to my house. So there's a few things you can count on my recommendation on. If I recommend a blanket to you, or if I recommend a ginger beer to you, you better believe me. And this is a very nice, spicy ginger beer. It even says try me if you dare, which I thought was like, oh, is this gonna like burn my mouth off? But it's perfect level of spiciness. Now let's top it off with our dessert of all of our other desserts with the Irish butter toffee. That Irish toffee, it took a minute. It's a hard candy, but it melts into your mouth. That was a perfect ending to our island trip. Now, let's go take a little trip on to Turkey. Our Turkey interesting facts, we're gonna just read the first one. Istanbul is the only city in the world set on 2 continents, Europe and Asia, with the river Bosphorus, sorry if I'm butchering that, being the dividing line between the 2 geographical regions. This is so great. If you have children, I feel like this would be so great. That's such a cool fact to know. I mean, I know it doesn't make you cool to know geographical facts, but it makes you cultured to know about the world around you. So I love this. Next, let's talk about our coin. We have a 50 kurus, I think. And it says, the coin you hold in your hand is the equivalent of 1/2 lira. Gives you some more information about your coin, and then takes you right into all your snacks. So for turkey, we got number 20, Dore cream biscuits, delicious cream-filled biscuits that are extremely popular with younger kids. Oh wow, we got them back to back. So number 21, Probus, is that what it says? Probus, yep. Mini sandwich biscuits with a creamy chocolate filling. Okay, so it looks like turkey likes to fill things because filling in both of our biscuits so far. I don't know why this is so cool to me, but we just did 20, 21, and now we're doing 22. I am not gonna be able to say this right, so I apologize to anyone from Turkey for butchering this language, but it says Shizavik cheese crackers. I don't know, it's like CHZIVIC. It says these cheese flavored crackers make the perfect snack on the go. We have a savory item. That was it for going in order, but now we have number 25. It says souffle framboise cake. Delicious souffle cake with chocolate sauce filling. I'm telling you, it's all about the filling. Okay, next one is number 37. Dankik Poti Cocoa Muffin, a chocolate flavored cake that's delicious in flavor and crumbly in texture. It's a perfect snack while sipping coffee. See, Ireland had me at ginger beer, and then Turkey's gonna have me at coffee. I just love both my countries. I can't find these, so I think they might have been in the Ireland. Whoops. Let's go over here. Number 12. These were from Ireland. I will save these for the end. Next we have number 16, Ulker salted sticks. Crunchy pretzel sticks sprinkled with salt. Very popular, especially when drinking tea. I love pretzel sticks, so we are gonna definitely try this one. This next item is something that I've had before because when I was traveling around Europe, I literally lived off of these bars. Everywhere that I could find one, I got one. So I don't know the original origin, but they do sell them all over Europe. Premium milk chocolate candy surrounds a vanilla creamy center filled with delicious crunchy Oreo cookie bits. As much as I want to try this because I know how amazing it is, I'm gonna actually try other items from Turkey because I want to give you like the first impression of me chewing it and being like, oh, that's what that tastes like. But just know that it's so amazing that I feel like I had one like every other day that I was there. We made a small mistake. These were actually in Ireland, so let me read about them really quick and then we're gonna pick which ones we're gonna have from Turkey. So these are the Tunox Tea Cake 6, a perfect combination of light marshmallow and chocolate. These tasty treats are great at any time for the day and make for a perfect tea time snack. Based on that description, it kind of reminds me of a s'mores, so maybe it's a s'mores tea cake. But we're gonna move that back to Ireland. We are done with Ireland. So we had 11 items in Ireland and we have 7 in Turkey. Let me pick out 3 or 4 to try. This is not an easy thing to choose. Let's start with savory, our salted pretzel stick. I honestly love how thin these are. I love salty pretzels. Those are so good. Okay, now we have 2 sweet items. One is a souffle cake. It looks like I need a spoon based on this photo with a little spoon in it, but we're gonna try to eat it without a spoon. So I'm gonna save this one for last in case it's messy. So let's do the chocolate-filled biscuit. These are so cute. It's not like normal chocolate. It's like fudge on the inside or something. I can't explain it. Like chocolate frosting. It's like really whipped and fluffy and wow. That is so good. Moving on to our souffle cake. It comes with a spoon. Man, they know everything. They take care of everything there. This is the cutest spoon ever. I'm saving this. Memories. You guys, I'm not even a huge chocolate person, but I'm gonna tell you right now, Turkey knows how to do chocolate. This is so much better than any chocolate I've ever had. That souffle cake felt like I was eating brownie batter. It was that good. It felt like I was doing something I wasn't supposed to do. Like, it was so good that I was like, I don't think anything's supposed to be this good. Okay, let's wrap it up because I feel like I've been talking and eating and having the time of my life for a while now. So let's wrap it up. That was so much fun. I don't know if they have 2 countries often or if that's just because they were sending it to me to review for you guys, but this is definitely one of the best snack boxes I've ever had. It's the coins for me. I'm not gonna lie. This is just like such a cute touch. I love it so much. I like could collect coins from all around the world and not even leave my house, and that's just so cute. Right now, I can't even leave my house. I cannot go all the way around the world, so this is the only way that I can collect coins. I do love that. I love that it comes in different sizes, so it can suit your budget. If you can afford $16.95 or if you can afford $49.96, you can still get this box. I also love that they donate part of their proceeds to the ASPCA. Everybody knows I'm a huge animal lover. One could argue that I almost love animals slightly more than I love humans. That's a topic for another video, but I love that that cause is near and dear to Try My Snacks box as well. If you want the $5 discount, it's THXJESS for $5 off the mini box, the single box, or the family box. Or if you want to try the sampler, I'll have that link down below for $7.95. That's like a 30-day trial period with that sampler, or you can add it on as a bonus if you end up getting the single or the family box. The prices include free shipping, and if I had children, this would be a no-brainer for me. Like, just the information piece of it. It also, they said they have puzzles, so they have like these word puzzles back here. And oh, this one they have like a little recipe too, how to make Irish mocha brownies. Here's did you know facts about Ireland. So this is like a full-on experience you could have with your kid. I know that if I had a child, I would not even think about this. I would order it. And you could do something fun with this, like crafty, scrapbook, whatever. I'm definitely gonna do something with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm definitely gonna do something on it. I'll post it on my Instagram story after I figure it out. And I think I'll add some of the other coins and dollars I've collected as I've traveled other countries. Try My Snacks is also a new business, a new small business, so you're also supporting a small business grow by supporting this box or purchasing this box over maybe like a major subscription box company. And the question for this video is, what snacks did you prefer? Irish snacks or Turkish snacks? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Products like this that kind of make me happy I don't have a family and I don't have to share them because I don't want to share this one.